Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to transfer Bitcoin to your Cash App account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we are going to go ahead and be needing the official Cash App application. So if you do not already have the application, what you want to do is install it. So we're going to go and be opening up the App Store on our mobile phone. Open up your App Store, and when you open it up, we are going to open up the search bar. So by opening up the search bar, we can search for Cash App. This is going to enable us to find the application. So what you want to do is find the application, install it, and open it up. So by opening it up, we can now log in. You can log in either with your phone number or with your login details, whichever way you prefer. And once you log in, now we can get started. So basically, guys, once you log in, you'll be greeted by the main page right here, which is the home page where you can take a look at your cash balance and your savings options and all the other options that you can access. And now we can get started. So basically, guys, we have two ways. First way is if we already have Bitcoin in some other wallet and portfolio that we want to transfer to Cash App. Basically, guys, you want to liquidate that Bitcoin, you'll be able to go ahead and go to your wallet and to your exchange where your Bitcoin is, and from there you can go and transfer your Bitcoin into something like USD or into a dollar that you can go ahead and transfer to your bank or Cash App and so on. So you can either transfer it to your card, so you can withdraw the money to your card, then you can then link to Cash App, and that's how you can get the money from Bitcoin to Cash App. But if you want to buy Bitcoin directly in Cash App and turn it into money, what you can do is you can see right here in the home page we have the buy Bitcoin option. So by clicking buy Bitcoin, it's going to enable us to go ahead and buy Bitcoin that we want, how much we want, and so on. And whenever we want to go ahead and withdraw the money we have bought, we can go ahead and access that page right here, and then we can turn it into USD that's going to be added to our Cash App account basically, and it's that easy. So basically that's how to do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.